It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, my name is Wadac2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking. This master, it's 40 or 50mm, unsure, and it's a long shackle. I'm going to single pin pick it with southward hook, so let's give this a go. Tension wrenching, slight tension, there you go. Not too bad, it's opened quicker. That's the long shackled master padlock opened. So thanks for watching. If you're newbies, come and join us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. So again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.